Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make text appear one by one on CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my CapCut application and then I'm going to open up the project I have just created on CapCut. Okay, this is my project and I'm going to add text to this project. So I'm going to click on the text option and select a text, and for example I'm going to add hello. Okay, and we can change the font if you want. I'm going to go to the font menu and I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this. And now it's time to add animation to this text. So I'm gonna click on the animation and I'm going to choose an animation. Let's choose zoom out animation. Okay, and I'm going to add out animation as well, but wait, let me choose the suitable animation. Okay, I think this one looks good. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this text, but wait, I'm going to make it shorter. I think it's not good. I'm not gonna add the out animation. Wait, I'm going to remove it. Okay, just in animation only. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this text and I'm going to change the position. All right, and change the text. Go to the edit, and for example I'm going to add everyone. Oops, sorry. Click on the check mark and this is the result. Okay, and I think I need to customize the position. Okay, and you can play around with the duration if the animation is not look good. Okay, this is the result. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make tags appear one by one on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.